Markets have just closed, and let's kind of review what's going on here. Negative day and everything because the crop reports across the board were negative. Negative for cotton. Cotton market was up 12 before the reports, closing down over 200 on the day. That just came down to increasing the crop size to 19.24 million bales. They thought it was going to be 18.39, so they increased ending stocks. I will say this, the world ending stocks were actually dropped. I don't think people are really looking at that, excuse me. I don't think people are really looking at that right now. And so, but the market was kind of in a panic, and because of that, we're closing down. Soybeans, same story, bigger average yields than they had thought, so that increased the size of the crop, that increased the carryout. Soybeans were down 8 before the report. They're closing down 42 at 862, a high of 903 and 3/4, a low of 862. December corn down 11 at 371 and 3/4, a high of 383 and a half, a low of 370 and 3/4. September wheat down 17 and 3/4 at 546 and 3/4, a high of 574, a low of 545 and 3/4. Crude oil up 70 cents a barrel, the dollar up 87, gold down a dollar, silver down 14 cents. We do see the stock market selling off down 253. Markets just couldn't handle these reports as the crops were considered bigger after this report than anyone thought. I think it created a certain panic in the market, and many people going into the weekend just decided to err on the side of caution and get out of long positions they might not have normally done. So how much lower can we go? Hard to tell. It depends on how much more liquidation we might see. They did moderate some the chances of rain in West Texas, less chance they had thought. But this was all about this crop report, so we'll have to deal with that. That's it. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Thank you.